Well, excited today to check out the new Huawei FreeBuds Pro. These are the latest incarnation of wireless earbuds from Huawei. I guess designed to take on the Apple AirPods Pro and some of the Samsung active noise cancellation earbuds that are out there. So let's see what we've got inside here. So some of the features on this, again, it does have the active noise cancellation. Apparently you can have a few different modes for that as well. When you do turn on active noise cancellation, it does basically kill all the outside noise. Some of the garbage here. But another feature I do like is awareness mode. So if you are out and about and you're worried about getting hit by things around you, like cars, maybe you're out for a jog, you can put that on so that you can still hear stuff that's going on. And this is a lot trickier than I thought. They have actually done a good job at packaging this. It's almost impossible to get the top off. Okay, so here we are. And right off you can see the charging case here. So you're going to get all-day battery life out of this. It does have the QR code on here to help you load up the Huawei AI Life app. I've actually preloaded it on my smartphone to save some time. But this is a nice little unit here. It's kind of the same shape and roughly the same size as the Apple AirPod Pros. And open that up. These do come in 3 different colors. I believe the silver, a black, a carbon black, and also white. Let's see if I can get these little guys out. Here we go. And yeah, very much like the AirPod Pros, it's got the nice little rubber ear tip or silicone ear tip here. But the one big difference where the AirPod Pros are more of a tube, this is definitely square. It does have the controls when you squeeze the actual tips themselves to cycle through the different modes. So we'll have to try that out in a bit. But overall, a very nice design, and it feels really nice. It's got a nice heft to it. Not too heavy, but you know that it's a solid piece of technology here. Again, you are going to get all-day battery life out of this as well, so you'll be able to listen to all your favorite tunes. And I think, already here you can see it's detected them, so I can just hit connect. And yeah, look at that. I've already got a charge on here, so we will set that up. Yeah, so you can see through the app here, I can check out how much battery charge is left in not only each earbud, but also the case itself. I'm going to try these out in my ears as well. So the one thing here, I've read there's a few people that have challenges actually getting the air or the FreeBuds out of the case, but that's okay. I think the trick is to get your finger onto the silicone tip there. They fit really nicely into my ear. These are very comfortable. Yeah, we'll be checking these out and testing the overall audio quality in some future segments. So don't forget to continually check out our website at GetConnectedMedia.com.